Balance Pack 300 is part of the Balance range and is used to increase the calcium hardness of the water. Now the pool water is always striving for balance. If it doesn't have enough calcium in the water, it's going to go looking for where it can find calcium and dissolve it and bring it back into the pool water. So the water becomes corrosive and it will start damaging equipment and metal fittings on the pool. It will also start dissolving things like tile, grout, plaster. It's damaging to paint surfaces. So it's very important to maintain the correct calcium hardness in the pool. To add to the water, just open the container and pour it straight into the pool. It doesn't need any pre-dissolving. It's very, very soluble. If you're adding a large amount, say when you're just filling up the swimming pool, then you're best to divide the quantity needed to be added into thirds and have at least 6 hours between additions. You don't normally need to give this a brush with a pool broom, but if you do notice any sitting on the bottom of the pool, just get your broom out and give it a sweep. Now storage is important with this product. It doesn't keep well if the bag is left open to the air. So be sure if you've got an open bag to either roll the top closed and sit something on top, or perhaps have another container that you can seal it so that it's airtight to ensure that you get to use the entire contents of the bag.